There's only one person who has been extremely reckless and shamefully childish in his approach to canvassing for canvassing for votes from delegates. You know, only one man who has fought Governor Serake Dixon. Only one man who has fought Governor Umahi in the same PDP then. Only one man who is currently fighting the governor of Edo. Only one man who fought Governor Emeka Ihedioha. Only one man who went to Anambra a few days ago and insulted Governor Peter Obi. Only one man who has insulted Atiku. Only one man who has insulted even the chairman of that communications. Only one man. His name is Nyesom Wike. The question I keep, because when people ask me, what is wrong with Wike? A lot of people within the party in Rivers are asking that, nobody can challenge him. He's an emperor. They cannot talk. And I say, who is he? A governor who talks like a kid. A governor who talks so careless. In fact, if I have a kid that talks like that, I need to go and check the parentage. Because you cannot be a governor. I watched him on live television insulting Governor Serake Dixon, that Dixon has plenty children outside, he has plenty wives. How is that your business? Wike, in fact, for me, if the PDP hands over ticket to Wike, which I know is very impossible, he can throw all the money. Did he not throw money around in 2019? He did worse than that now. He can throw all the money he has around. People are not daft. They are not daft. They see the way you treat people in Rivers. You're owing some teachers in your state. For 5 years, you've not paid salaries. There's been no promotion in the Rivers State Civil Service since 2016 when this man came in. There's been no single promotion in the whole of Rivers State. You don't pay pensions. You don't pay gratuity. What exactly? Okay, yes, the beautiful bridges are good. But is it the corpses of people that will go and use those bridges? No business, nothing, no youth empowerment scheme, nothing. And you want to be president? No. I know that Buhari broke all the standard. I know that Buhari broke, there's no standard anymore. But we shouldn't go to the gutters. Wike, as president, how? How? If the PDP gives him ticket, it will be our lifetime ambition to make sure that PDP loses at the election. Because if you respect Nigerians, you should first of all ask yourself, where is the budget of Rivers State in the last 7 years? Has anybody seen the budget of that state in the last 7 years? Yesterday, you went and gave money to Kaduna State, 200 million naira, while holding teachers in your state. What is the difference between Wike and Buhari, who abandoned ASU that has been on strike and went and dashed Afghanistan $1 million? What's the difference between both of them? A man like Wike, who does not listen to anyone, who does not take corrections, no, he's not fit for the office of the president. Maybe we can appoint him the chairman, the national chairman of National Road Transport Union. He should take over from his partner in Lagos, Oluomo. No. We need to give him some position where he can control all his energy using a cutlass. A governor so uncouth, so uncultured, so ill-mannered, See, I tell people, because when they ask me, but Wike has people behind him. He does not have any team behind him. The only reason Wike became governor was because people revolted against Amechi for supporting Buhari. Remove that sentiment. Wike will never win an election against Amechi. Ever. How has he used that? How many empowerment schemes has he done in Rivers? How many youths have been empowered by him? Someone who abandoned people on scholarships abroad? Please, when we are talking about serious contenders, we know serious contenders and we know the jokers. The jokers can keep spending their money. A governor friend told me and said, that he will collect. A governor told me that he will collect. So let Wike keep spending money. After all, it should be his Rivers money. Let him keep spending money. Give me power. Give me. I'm the only one that can go and take power from APC. I don't understand. How? Are you talking like even National Union, NURT, they will not talk like that. Even RTN will not talk like that. You are talking like those people that used to take people's seat in area 1 when you pick passenger and you don't go to the park to go and pick passenger. You know all those agbero that used to remove your. That's the way Wike is behaving. So ill-mannered. No respect for anyone. No respect for the authority. In 2017, Wike threatened the PDP. If you don't bring this convention to Rivers State will show you. Show us what? Or show them what? PDP has existed before. Who is Wike? And Wike is the reason PDP lost a lot of governors. Wike was the one who actually wanted to kill the PDP when he brought in Alimodi Sheriff. I laugh when people tell me Wike has been the one sponsoring PDP since PDP. No, Wike has been the one that wanted to kill PDP. You brought Sheriff failed woefully. You went and brought Secondus. Are you the owner of PDP? They say he's sponsoring what? PDP has been existing before he became a governor. Was it not PDP that made him local government chairman, made him a minister? Today, you feel you cannot listen to anybody, you should not listen to anybody. Go and get the ticket and come and meet us on the field. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.